So, Lily, what do you want to do today? I don't know, Stella. What do you want to do today? Me too. That's a good question. Hey, Stella, Lily, look what I found. Ta-da! Look at this. Pencilmiss, what is that? It's a remote control. A remote control? What does it do? Well, you may ask, how does it work? Well, I press this big button and something will happen. Allow me to demonstrate. And that concludes the remote control. Pencilmiss, I don't think we're in our house anymore. Where are we? Oh no, I think I transported us back to prehistoric times. But don't worry, we can all get us back home to present day. Now all we need to do is press the button again, and then we'll be back in home in no time. Pencilmiss, there's a dinosaur behind you. Oh, don't be so silly, Stella. There's no dinosaur right behind me. How about you try turning around and look behind you? Time to get us back home. There we go. Much better. Home at last. I think I'm gonna put this remote control away. You know, Stella, that was quite fun. Yeah, it was. But we almost got eaten by that dinosaur, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Whatever next?